I first came into contact with Newman Stewart about 4 or 5 years ago, and we put together a brief for an engineering role I was looking for. Newman Stewart were one of several recruitment headhunting companies that we had on the books at the company at the time. And so I reached out to them because they were local and I'd heard good things. And in fact, because of some of the successes we had over time, they actually became more and more successful, and eventually took all the roles that we had externally as the in-house recruitment and headhunting company. We've worked on several assignments, mainly being an engineering company, engineering roles, but also marketing roles as well. And I found Newman Stewart have been able to get candidates that we just couldn't reach throughout our normal processes. The process was really easy as a customer. We sent the brief over to Newman Stewart. I met with representatives of the company. They turned round and put together a more comprehensive and detailed brief, which was sent back to me for approval. And then that was used to go out and try and find suitable candidates. We agreed companies who we thought would have suitable candidates, and we also agreed companies that we wouldn't want to go to as well. And the process throughout was very easy. The initial interviews were done by Newman Stewart, so I was presented with a short list of very good candidates that I could take through to a two-interview process in-house that worked very well. All the way through I was given advice and communication, and I found the whole process took a lot of stress out of what can be quite intensive processes. The working relationship was very easy. I was speaking with John Tilbrook. His communication was very good. All the way through the process he was communicating with me, telling me where he was having successes, where he was not having successes, so we could tweak our tactics and strategy a little bit. He made it as easy as possible for me. I was very happy with the outcomes. Of all the roles that we hired for, I can honestly say that there were at least 2 candidates that I could have hired, so the final choices were very difficult. We found engineers from places that we wouldn't normally look, and we filled a very important marketing role with a very high caliber candidate which we would not have found through our normal processes. I would definitely recommend Newman Stewart to anybody looking to go through a recruitment process. The company is highly professional, everything's done in a confidential manner and done in such a way to relieve the stress throughout the recruitment process. The communication is top notch, and I've got no hesitation in recommending them and reusing them myself.